Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Toyota Corolla steering wheel, updated. Start by inserting the key, turn gently, and ease the wheel left and right while maintaining slight pressure on the key. If the key won't turn, don't force it. Wiggle the wheel to relieve pressure on the lock. Look for obvious debris or damage, and always use gentle, steady motions to avoid breaking the key or damaging the column. Before you begin, gather a spare key, a soft cloth, and basic hand tools in case you need to adjust the column cover. Keep the car in park with the parking brake set and ensure the wheels are straight to reduce tension on the lock. Work in a well-lit area and avoid forcing components. Patience reduces the chance of snapping a key or damaging sensitive ignition parts during this simple but delicate process. If the wheel lock persists, apply a small amount of graphite or silicone lubricant into the key slot, then insert and turn the key while easing the wheel. Avoid oil-based lubricants that attract dirt over time. If the key is visibly damaged, swap to a spare or have a cut duplicate made. A worn key often fails under pressure. When these quick fixes fail, a professional locksmith or Toyota tech can diagnose and fix internal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.